Welcome to this video on the Linux shell. We will explore what it is, how it works, and some essential commands to manage your system. So what is the shell? Simply put, it acts as an intermediary or bridge between you and the operating system's kernel. When you type a command, the shell translates it, tells the computer to execute it, and shows you the result. Keep in mind that the shell is case-sensitive, meaning ls is not the same as ls. There are several types like bash and zsh, and you can choose the one you prefer. Remember, it only executes your instructions. It doesn't automatically change your system. Commands are divided into two types. First, internal shell commands, which are built right into the shell program. They are always available and run quickly without needing separate files, such as pwd, cd, echo, or help. The second type is external commands. These are separate programs or files that can be updated or removed. Some come pre-installed, while others might need to be added manually. Examples include ls, df, ntfs3g, and mkfs. You can check a command's type by using type. If it says shell built-in, it's internal. If you see a file path, it's external. If you get a, quote, command not found error, the package likely isn't installed. Never delete system files. For system and user info, internal commands like pwd show your current folder and echo prints text. External commands like uname, df, free, and date help you check system version, disk space, RAM usage, and time. Additional external commands include cal, womi, who, and w for user info, plus which and where is to locate files. Using the H option often makes output more readable by showing file sizes in MB or GB. To manage files and folders, cd is a built-in command for moving between directories. External tools like ls, cat, less, head, and tail allow you to view contents, read files, and inspect lines in various ways. For deeper management, use cp to copy, mv to move or rename, rm to delete, and mkdir or rmdir to create or remove directories. Be careful. There is no recycle bin in the terminal, so deleted files are usually gone for good. You can search with locate, find, or grep. Remember that files starting with a dot are hidden, and using rmr is powerful, so always be extremely careful, especially when running as the root user. When dealing with disks and partitions, commands like lsblk, blkid, fdisk, and parted help you view information. Fdisk allows you to modify partitions interactively. Proceed with caution, as errors can lead to data loss. For more advanced disk tasks, parted provides flexible partition management. The mount command is used to make a partition accessible, while umount safely detaches it. Always ensure you are working on the correct drive. As a final reminder for disk work, always back up your data first, never modify a mounted system disk, and use standard directories like mnt/mnt/media for mounting your devices. Finally, for file system maintenance, fsck checks and fixes errors, but only on unmounted partitions. The mkfs command formats a drive for use. Use these with extreme care, as they will permanently erase data without further warning. When working with external file systems like NTFS, you may need additional packages. On Debian-based systems, you can install NTFS3G using the apt package manager. Once installed, it allows you to mount NTFS partitions directly with a simple command, such as mounting your device to a specific mount point. The NTFS3G suite also includes utility tools. Use NTFS-FIX to repair minor issues, NTFS-Info to view partition details, NTFS label to manage volume labels, and NTF-Sundelete to attempt recovery of deleted files, provided they haven't been overwritten by new data. Beyond NTFS, Linux supports many file systems. ext4 is the standard stable choice. XFS is ideal for large files and servers, while BTRFS offers advanced features like automated compression and snapshots. For broad compatibility with other operating systems, use VFAT or exFAT, though you may need to install exFAT Fuse first. A key rule for file systems: each has its own dedicated repair tools. Never swap them, as this can corrupt your data. Additionally, ensure you are using a modern version of NTFS3G to guarantee full read and write support for your drives. Moving to system processes, we use commands to monitor activity. PS shows processes in your current window, while PSOX lists every running process. Tools like Top and HTOP provide dynamic, real-time views of system performance, and "kill" allows you to stop a process using its identification number. If a specific program freezes, xkill can close its window instantly. Remember that every process has a process ID or PID, visible in Top or PS. Use kill -9 feet as a last resort to forcefully terminate unresponsive tasks, but be careful. Killing critical system processes can cause your computer to restart. For network management, ifconfig and the modern ipaddr show your network interfaces. Use ping to test connectivity to a server. Netstat and SS help you view active connections and open ports, while traceroute tracks the path your data takes across the network. When running ping, keep in mind that it will run continuously until you stop it manually. You can press Ctrl+C to terminate the process at any time, or use the -C flag followed by a number to limit the test to a specific count. Managing permissions and files is also essential. Use chmod to modify access rights and chown to change file ownership. For archiving, tar combines and compresses files, while gzip and gunzip are used to manage individual compressed files efficiently. To perform administrative tasks, use sudo to run commands with elevated privileges, or su to switch users. Only use sudo when necessary, as improper use or changing permissions on critical system folders can lead to severe system instability. When you need help provides short, built-in guidance for shell-specific commands. For more detailed, official documentation on external commands, the "man" command is your go-to resource for comprehensive instructions and usage manuals. For even more structured information, you can use the info command. Alternatively, many programs support the "help" flag, which is a quick way to view essential usage tips directly in your terminal without needing to open a full manual page. When navigating manual pages, you can use your arrow keys or page buttons to scroll. Press the Q key to exit the documentation. If you find that a command's documentation is missing, you likely need to install the corresponding documentation package on your system. While different operating systems use various shells, they all share common ground. Regardless of the environment, a shell acts as a communication bridge, accepts text-based commands, and serves the fundamental purpose of managing your files, folders, and system settings. Finally, remember that shells differ by system. DOS and Windows rely on limited options like CMD or PowerShell. In contrast, Linux offers a wide range of choices, including sh, ZSH, fish, and the widely used bash, giving you greater flexibility and power. To wrap up, remember that the shell is your bridge to the system. Always distinguish between internal and external commands, and remember that some tools require extra installation. Use help, man, and info when you need guidance, and most importantly, always back up your data before modifying partitions or file formats. A few final safety tips. Use sudo only when absolutely necessary, and be extremely cautious with commands like rm and mkfs, as they permanently remove data. When learning, it is best to first observe and gather information before attempting to change any data in your test environments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful for your journey with the Linux shell. Please don't forget to like, follow, and comment. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.